Welcome to Product Critique, where we break down the best in home essentials. And today, we're talking about the best hand mixer electric lightweight compact on the market. The SmartStore Compact Hand Mixer, your go-to kitchen helper for quick, easy, and mess-free mixing. Let's start with the build and design. The SmartStore Hand Mixer comes in a sleek, modern red finish that instantly pops in any kitchen. Its compact dimensions, just 3.2 inches deep, 7.4 inches wide, and 4.7 inches high, make it ideal for apartments, dorms, and even RVs. Weighing only 1.8 pounds, it's super lightweight and extremely portable, yet powerful enough to handle everything from pancake batter to cookie dough. It fits easily in one hand and stores without hassle, thanks to a smartly integrated beater storage clip built right into the side. Now, let's talk functionality. This mixer operates with a 150-watt motor and offers 3 speed settings, low, medium, and high, controlled by simple push buttons. It's perfect for whipping egg whites, beating cream, or mixing up a cake batter in just seconds. The power delivery is smooth and consistent, making it ideal even for beginner bakers or anyone who needs reliable performance without the bulk of a stand mixer. One of the standout features is the enhanced storage solution. Forget losing your beaters or dealing with clunky storage boxes. Once you're done, the beaters eject easily and snap right into place on the side of the mixer. It's a small touch, but it makes a big difference, especially in tight spaces. This mixer is also dishwasher safe, or at least the beaters are, and if you're hand washing, they wipe clean in a flash. The plastic body keeps the unit lightweight while still offering decent durability. It's not industrial grade, but for everyday home use, it gets the job done reliably and efficiently. In the box, you'll get the mixer unit, 2 chrome beaters, a recipe book, and access to an online recipe database, giving you inspiration to try everything from brownies to meringues. The SmartStore isn't just a kitchen gadget, it's a thoughtful, compact solution for modern living. It's also a fantastic gift for weddings, housewarmings, or students moving into their first dorm or apartment. The compact size takes up minimal cabinet or counter space, and the trendy design works with almost any kitchen decor. While availability might fluctuate, it's worth keeping an eye out because this model often sells out. To wrap it up, if you need a reliable, easy to store, easy to use, and beautifully designed hand mixer, the SmartStore Compact Hand Mixer should be at the top of your list. Powerful enough for all your baking needs? Absolutely. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more honest, in-depth reviews of the products that make your everyday better. See you next time.